हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप? लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ दिस चैप्टर द वाइल्ड डक्स नेस्ट। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर इस चैप्टर के। सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम MCQ. Column was delighted to see the wild duck's nest or either stones waving, waves in water, the island, and all of this. So, what will be the correct here? The wild duck's nest. And see the second, why does column think that he should not have touched the egg? So, what will be the correct answer here? B. Yes, the wild duck would forsake it. Now, see the third, in the end of the column, was glad to see? Yes, two eggs. Fourth, and how do you know it's wild ducks? Who said this? Yes, Paddy McFall. Now, after this, read and answer. See the first question from read and answer. Describe the scene at the top of the hill. So, what will be the correct of answer? Now, see the answer first. The sun was setting, spilling gold light on the low western hills of Rathlin Island. A small boy walked gently along a hoof printed path that wrinkled between the folds of the hills and opened out into a crater like valley on the cliff top. The boy stopped as if remembering something and began running up one of the hills. When he reached the top, the wind rumbling in his ears made him give an exultant whoop, which splashed upon the hills in a shower of echoed sound. A flock of gulls lying on the short green grass near the lake rose up languidly, drifting like blown snowflakes over the rim of the cliffs. Now, see the second question. You had it in your hand. She'll forsake it. She will forsake it. Why did Paddy say this to Column? Now see the answer. Paddy said this to Column because Column had touched the wild duck's egg. See the question third. How did Column feel when he reached the islet and the strip of land that led to the rest? See the answer of third question. Yes, Column's heart was thumping with excitement as he was wondering whether the bird had forsaken the egg. His heart hammered wildly in his ears as he saw the bird with her shoulders hunched up and her bill lying on her breast as if she was asleep. He realized the bird had not forsaken the egg. Now, see the first question from Think and Answer. A vague sadness stole over him, and he felt in his heart he had signed. Why do you think the column felt guilty of his action? Give reason to support your answer. So, see the answer now. See the answer here. He felt guilty of his action because he knew that he should not have touched the egg, and he wondered whether the bird would forsake the egg. Now, see the next question from Think and Answer. But in school, his faith wavered. Why was Column facing this situation in school? What sort of thoughts and feelings came across his mind at school? So, what will be the answer of this question? Yes, now see. Yes, Column was facing this situation because he felt as if his mind told him that Paddy was right in saying that the bird might forsake the egg. But he replied back to Paddy that the bird would not forsake it. Through the windows, Column could see moving seeds of rain that rippled down the panes, filling his mind with thoughts of the sake, creased and chilled by the wind, the nest sodden and black with wetness, and the egg could as a cave stone. He shivered from the thoughts and fixated with the inkwell cover, sliding it backwards and forwards mechanically. After the think and answer, come to the RTC reference to context. Here, given this statement, at last he came on the nest facing seaward. So, who is he in the given lines and what did he notice inside the nest? And C, describe the nest and D, what happens next. Now let's see all the answers of A, B, C and D also. So what will be the A answer? Column is referred to in the given line. And B, he notices a solitary egg inside the nest. C, the nest was untidily built of dried rushes, straws, and features, and in it lay one solitary egg. D, next column was delighted to see the egg, and he lifted it in excitement. So hope you understood all these question answers very well. Thank you for watching this. We will meet in our next video with a new question, with a new chapter. Thank you for watching this. Bye bye to all.